Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brie from With Love Brie, and today I'm gonna do a unboxing for Scalloped Diva Designs. It's June's new arrivals, so I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys the new release. I have a couple more projects to share with you guys, so with my other dies, so just keep an eye out for that. But I want to get this unpackaging out there for you guys. Okay, so there are 3 baby words sets. You can get the whole bundle for $30, but each one is $12 each. So total would be about $36. You would save $6 if you get them together. So if you're working on any baby projects or you make baby cards, albums, this would be actually really cute because the sets do have some really cute words on here that you can even use for non-baby things, I feel. So this right here, there is girl, boy, bottle, baby, welcome, and shower. And this is baby words number 1. Okay, so we have oh baby, precious, sweet, bundle of joy, joy, love. So again, a lot of things you can use that aren't just baby related. So if you're working on like one album and you know you're scared this die might just not be used at all, you could definitely use a lot of these for other things. So there's baby words number 2, and baby words number 3 has actually the word adoption in there, so that's really nice. There's new arrival, grandchild, little one, and twins. So definitely a big variety here. So if you're working on something that you need a little bit from everything, I would suggest getting the bundle, so at least you can get 3 for $30 and you could save $6. So those are the 3 baby themed dies, word dies. And then, oh my gosh, how cute is this? So this is a toaster die, and it is, yeah, toaster, $16 on the website. I'll have all these dies down there for you guys in the description box, so that way if you guys need the names of them, you'll have them. But this die comes with the toaster. It's actually a good size. It's not too big. It's a pretty decent size for a card. But there's the toaster part, and here's the layering piece, so you can put like little pieces of bread or something coming out of it. And then she adds this heart. This is for the bottom part, I'm pretty sure. Oh no, for the handle part to slide the bread down. So those go on the side, and this is the heart that you can add in the middle of the toaster. And then she even has a toast and egg set. So this is $10, and if you guys don't love breakfast toast, or you know, I am a huge fan of breakfast. And so I can eat breakfast all day, every day, and I could slap an egg with some avocado toast is what it is. Sorry, breakfast toast. Avocado toast is me all day, every day. So this right here is the egg. How cute is this egg though? It looks so kawaii for some reason. And then she includes a fork and a knife, so that's even cuter. And the layering pieces, so you can do all the different, like, you know, layers of the bread, the crust, the little white part, the toasted part, and you can use this, I'm pretty sure, together. I mean, I could see it, so that would be really cute. Toaster and a toast and egg. And then another flower die. This one is the foam flower bundle. So these are just like a 3-petal flower that you can layer up and create different flowers. If you guys have seen my flower tutorial video, I used her one die to make different types of flowers, and you guys, with any flower die you can do that. It's just all about how you form your petals. So I'm definitely going to do a project share on this one. I do have a tutorial, so I'll leave that tutorial link down below. Not of this specific one, but a die from her that she sent me before. So definitely can't wait to create some flowers with those. And then onto some of the larger dies. So right here, this is a card stand. So you can make a stand to hold a card. You can even do like a layout and, you know, put it on here as well. And what's cool about her dies is she does have a bunch of layering pieces. So if I get close here, you could see there's 3 different pieces. So you can choose to use this heart like outline, or not outline, but this heart layering piece, or you can choose to just have a patterned paper piece and use a thinner one in the middle here. Oh, sorry, I'm like going all the way around like y'all can see. Right here. So in the middle, there's like this line right here. You would just not put this heart piece in and just die cut that one piece and you won't get the pattern. So looks like this. It's a pretty large die, but you can showcase a lot of projects if you do like crafts. What are those? Like craft sales? You go to the little craft sales and stuff. You can use this and have a personalized, you know, stand, and then people might be interested in that too and be like, hey, where did you get that? And you could say, oh, I made it. And you can lead them to, you know, Scrap Diva Designs, or you can even make them. So that's really cool. And then there's this right here. So this is a card, I think. Let's see. Oh, it's a mini album. Sorry. It's a baby girl mini album. And so it has a little dress. I love the ruffles on this. It's so cute. Yeah, I am loving the little lacy edge here too. That's cute. So, again, this is a mini album. You can do many things with this as well. You can make a gift bag. You can do a lot of things. So, there is the dress. And then this is a flower pot gift card holder. Ooh, I love gift card holders. And she even includes a bunch of different flowers. Now, this die is $20, but you guys get, I mean, extras. All her dies always do come with extras. But this one comes with a bunch of flowers, so again, you can make different ones. So there's 2 of each one. You could just layer them up. You can have them, you know, as its own thing. There's even some leaves. Well, it is a flower pot gift card holder. So what is a flower pot without the flowers? So it does include that. And then it does have a little lace piece that you can use and a little label. And this would create your gift card part. I would have to work with this to see how it goes. But if I can, I'll do a process video on that one. And then the last die here is the Scalloped Circle Shaker Tag Set. So you can, you know, a lot of her shaker dies, she makes it to where you don't have to have, like, you don't have to make a shaker. So that's what I love about these. So right here, as you guys can see, there's a total of 6 dies, 2, 4, 6. You get 2 different kinds of tag scallop, like circle dies. This one has a doily edge and this one has a heart doily edge. And then this right here, if you could see both of them. So she makes it easy and includes 2 so that way you can die cut them all at once. They are, there's a small circle here and a layering one with the stitched like edge. So you would just keep these together to make a, you know, the shaker piece. And then, or like the foam, you can cut the foam out and then you can use it to have the outline. And then you can use these to also use as your backing pieces. So because she includes the 2 and they are the same, I would actually just leave one put together so that way you have one already perfectly lined up. Because sometimes when you take the dies apart and you need to cut out foam, if you're not using just foam strips, sometimes they don't line up perfectly with the patterned paper or something. So sometimes you might have the foam showing through one side and it sometimes doesn't look really cute. So I would suggest like leaving one of these like just stuck together, and then you could take this one apart. But you know, for your convenience, if it works out and you're making a bunch of tags and you need to cut both of them apart, you can. I just would suggest for a shaker, if you love shakers, to just leave one of them at least together. So there is the Scalloped Circle Shaker Tag Set. And that right there, you guys, is the June release for Scrap Diva Designs. I will have the names of all the dies down there for you guys for your conveniency. I will also have an affiliate link. Sorry, I don't know why I said it like that. I will also have an affiliate link linked down below in case you guys would like to order the dies. it is a free link for you guys to use. However, I do earn a small commission from it to help my channel as well as myself. So thank you to everyone that does use it. I do appreciate you guys. And I hope that you guys stay tuned for all of the process videos slash project shares that I will have on these dies. I will have a couple more videos out from my previous one. I just had a lot of things happen, one with my health and just other things. So they are coming out just a little late, but I'm almost there. So hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.